Hey friends, if we encounter the issue where Windows brightness control not is not working or changes automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click on the display driver and select Update Driver. Right click on the second display driver and select Update Driver. The next one is to restore default settings for the power plan. And how would you do that? So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now click on change plan settings and click on restore default settings. Click on yes. Next one is to disable adaptive brightness. Search for adaptive brightness in the Windows search bar and click on this option. Lower your carbon footprint by applying these. So if you apply these options, okay, they will obviously change, but I suggest that do not apply them. Keep it at the balanced power plan. This level of power efficiency is not required for our system. Okay, and the next one is to run the power troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R key to open the run window, and then type the command msdt.exe space -id space power diagnostic and hit enter. This will open the power troubleshooter. Click on next. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.